Hello guys, today we'll talk about Git reset topic. So how it works, we'll talk about this, and also we'll give you demonstration of how it works. So before that, let's talk. Let's see how Tortoise Git works. So these are the different components of Tortoise Git. So there is remote repository, local repository, index cache, working directory. The working directory is somewhere your project are stored on local machine. Okay, and remote repository is a place where your project are stored at remote Git location, and local repository is somewhere the tortoise Git take care of tracking all the changes to the files and everything. So they are maintained by Git software. Okay, and the index cache is something that keeps of track of the newly added file. Okay, so when you add new file to the existing project, so Tortoise Git doesn't know this file is the part of the project. So it first you need to first add that file to the uh, edit file through Tortoise Git or Git command. So it will be updated in index cache, and then you can perform the commit operation. Okay. So when you add the new file, it is called unstage mode. Okay, so when you add that file in the index cache, it is called staging process. Okay, so when index is updated, when you do staging process, and how staging process is done. So if you can see the description here, when you modify a file in your repository, the change is initially unstaged mode. So when you add new file to the existing project, initially it is unstaged mode, and in order to commit it, you must first stage it. So how staging can be done? You have to add the file through git add command, or you can use in Tortoise Git there is an option. So I will show it in a later stage. Through that you can add that file. Okay, so then index file will be updated. Okay, so when you commit, when you make a commit, the changes are committed are those that have been. So the committed are files that are taken from the index file reference. Okay, the first newly added file will be updated in index cache, then you can commit it to local repository. Okay, fine. So let's see how staging is done by demo. So here is a user. So you have to first add new file through git command or tortoise git add. In tortoise git add, you see here is the option. Go to the new file. If you can see, there is no tick mark here. So git tortoise git local repository doesn't recognize newly added file. So you have to first add that file through this option. Okay, and then this file will be updated in index as I said before. Okay, so now let's so this is the important thing about index. So you have to remember this because this is this will help in understanding the reset concept. Tortoise. Okay, so let's talk about the different reset. There is soft reset, mixed reset, and hard reset. So we will go one by one. So what is soft reset? Is something that does not reset index and does not change the working directory. Okay, so it does not change the working directory. So let's see by example. So suppose you have a new file. Okay, and you are branch head location is at AB master. Okay, so when you add new file, you have to first add it and then commit, and you perform add and commit operation. So you will have now have new head location, that is ABC master. Okay. Next is you perform soft reset to B location. So what it will do? So it will happen is your index pointer still stays at ABC master. Okay, your index pointer still stays at ABC master, but your head location will be changed to this. When you reset to B this location, TortoiseGate remembers the newly file committed. So it, because of index pointer still at ABC master, it knows that you have added newly file because your index pointer is at this location. Okay, so you don't have to again uh, add that file. Okay, and next thing is you don't does not change the working directory. That means if you have changed anything of the file, it will not be overridden by anything. It will remains same. This is how soft reset works. Okay. Here index pointer is not changed. It remains to the same location while your head location changed to this pointer. So next we will talk about mix reset. In mix reset, the difference is it resets the index, and this thing remains same as soft reset, so it does not change the working directory. Only the thing difference is this reset index. It resets the index. So let's see by example. Suppose you have new file and your uh, branch head location is at this location. Then you add and commit. So your new branch location head location is this ABC master, and then you perform mix reset to ABC master. So what will happen? Your index pointer now change to this one. Okay. In soft reset, your index pointer was still at ABC master, but in the case of mix reset, your index pointer will be at AB master. So what will be the problem here? So problem here will be tortoise git does not remember newly file committed because of index reset. So git doesn't recognizes newly added file because your index pointer is at this location. So you have to again add new file in this case. So you have to again perform the index operation that I shown in the previous slides. That you have to select the file, then go to the tortoise git option and add the file. So it will then go to index cache, and then you can, and then tortoise git will recognize as because index file will be updated at that case. So this is the difference between the soft and mix reset. Now the last reset that is remaining is the hard reset. So what is the difference here from mix reset? So here it will perform similar like mix reset. It will do reset index, but also another thing, it will change the working directory also. So all the changes will be overridden by this branch head location. So let's see in the example. We perform the same operation. Index pointer will be, but this time along with this hard reset index pointer to be, your working directory will also be changed. So means all the committed that is was present after this like suppose ABC which was present will be removed and overridden by this commit, that is AB must. So here your changing working directory will also be updated along with. So this was the difference between the soft mix and hard reset. And now next we will see a demonstration of how it works. Okay. So here is the Git project that I cloned from remote for demo purpose. So what I will do, if you can see the log, there is nothing committed here. So what I will do, I will create new file. I will give it as name as read. I will write for me. And as I said, this is unstaged mode. There is no icon here. So you have to first stage it. For that you have to add it. Okay. So you can see here the icon scheme of added. Now it is in updated in index file. Okay. Now you can commit it. I will write a commit. So this is committed to our local repository. Now to update at remote repository, you have to push it. So now if you can see the log, you can see the file committed. Now I will change some file and write second commit and commit it again. Now you can directly commit, you don't have to add it again. Write B, push it. So our now head location is at this location. Okay. This bold color, if you can see, this is the head location. If you want to compare, double click it. This is our latest yellow color means working direct. So now check our to see our reset operation. First, what I will do is add a new file. I will name it as new file, and I will name as test. And write under that. Okay. What I have to do, I have to add it. Okay. Next. Now I can commit it. I will write C and push it. Okay. You can see three commit. In third commit, I have added new file. So index file at this location knows you have added new file. Okay. But index file at this location will not know that you have added new file. So So I will perform now the first operation, first test for soft reset. I will select this head location. I will click the and will go to this reset master to this, and I will perform soft reset. Okay. Now you can see the ball collection. So your head location has pointed to this location B. Now as per my PPT demo, I have said that your index location is still at C. So your tortoise git knows that you have committed new file. So you will not see. You don't have to again add that file. You will not see it. See, there is nothing to add because your tortoise git knows you have already added that file. Because your index location is still at C. Your index location is still at C, but your new head location is at B. Okay. Now we will see. Now we will see mix reset. Okay. So I reverted this change that was I doing reflow. So I reverted these changes back to the third committed stage, that is this. Okay. Now let's perform to the same file, same location B, and now we will perform mix reset. For that, go to this reset master of this, and this time instead of soft I will select mix. Okay. So I will click reset index. So what must mix reset will do, it will also reset the index pointer location to this. So this time what will happen, the tortoise git will not know that you have added newly file, that was new file.txt, because you have resetted by mix reset operation. So if you can see, your icon is gone because tortoise git doesn't recognize. So you will see again in add. Okay. So you have to add it again and perform the operation. Same commit operation. So I have reverted my changes. So now we will perform the final one, that is the hard reset. So I will reset these changes to this. If you can see that file got deleted, newly added file, because it has overridden everything that was committed after this branch head location. Your working directory has completely changed now. So you will have to add again new file to the index, and your index location index file doesn't recognize your new file because it is already deleted and overridden. So suppose you have reset to B and you want to push to remote repository. Was any of them like mix one. I took this mix reset. So your now head location is this. You can see log again. Now it is big. But if you know that our remote repository is still not updated, it will be uh, pointing at C only. So it will not allow to push also, because your your local repository head location is not the latest one. So it will not allow you to commit as well. So will have to force push it in order to override the remote repository. For that you have to go to this push and then select this no changes. So this will allow force push the commit to your remote. So this time it is updated the file, and your new commit location will be this. All the latest one will be deleted automatically from remote as well because of force commit. Because of the force commit, all the latest commit after this head location will be deleted. So you will always see this branch head location for any user using this project. So this was the demo about the git reset. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.